Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to connect Portronics Chicklet keyboard, Chicklet foldable Bluetooth keyboard with iPad. Okay, you can see here this is my iPad, and this is the iPad. Which version? iPad Air 3. Okay, and currently running on iPad OS 18.3. Okay, you can see here. And how to connect this? So we are first opening our Chicklet keypad Portronics. Then here is the button turning on. Now I turn on my keypad. Okay, after that go to Bluetooth section. Then first I turn on Bluetooth, then go to Bluetooth sections and go to Bluetooth settings. Okay, here you can see this is the device list, and I am pressing this button for connecting once. Okay, now we can see here is our device. Okay, Portronics Chicklet. Tap on that. So it is connected. Here is that this iPad is disabled, and using Portronics may be affect Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. So we are just opening Notepad and go for a new note. So we are just typing hello. You can see here it is too big. Backspace. Okay, hello, hi. So you can see here our keyboard is completely working. Okay, everything is working. So that's guys, in this way you can simply connect your Portronics Chicklet keyboard with your iPad. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.